Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished up Derek's CVO, his 2024 CVO. We had previously done a setup for Derek on his older Street Glide. He ended up wrecking the bike, went to the dealer, got a brand new, fully loaded CVO. He loved the way the other bike sounded, wanted this one louder with more bass, so I had him order the tour pack from the dealer to give us more room for amplifiers. So this is the loudest CVO we've done to date. It's even louder than mine. So we went with Cicada Flx 700 in the fairing, Sound Digital 1200.4 in the tour pack, Sound Digital 3000.1 in the tour pack, Cicada CH 6.5 in the fairing. Went with the 3D printed lowers on this bike, so we're able to do Cicada CH8s in the lowers, which made a huge sound difference on this bike. The 8-inch lowers what makes this bike really, really loud. Went with NVS Audio 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the stock saddlebags, which we sealed imported, and we went with Cicada CHX 5 1/4 in the lid, in the factory lids, and also NVS Audio high-res tweeter in the factory lid. All NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring, NVS Audio T-harness to make it plug and play into the factory wiring in the front, Arc Audio PSM Pro DSP, and then we use the Doobie bass knob so you can see if the woofer's clipping right from the front, control the level of the bass right up front. Loudest 2024 we've done to date. Bike sounds really good, has plenty of bass. He's gonna have no problem hearing on the highway. Check it out, bike sounds amazing.
Now here I go again, I see.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down. Smack that ass and go to work. Peep the smirk, she got a thing for hood niggas. Bitch, I got it out the dirt. I ain't perfect, but I promise I'ma show you what you're worth. Eat that pussy from the back and shorty have to go to church and thank the Lord for blessing me. Cause you the baddest on this earth. You with the shit that I'm with. I know you used to goofies, babe, but I'm that one that you miss. I let my guards down, cause I can tell your energy lit. You tryna fuck, I can tell the way you lick. So I hit her with that big mood. I know exactly what she into, gotta say it. Big mood. She know exactly what I'm gon' do, yeah. Straight to the bed, take out them clothes. Fuck making a movie, baby, put on a show. Girl, the night is young, let's take it slow. Cause we gon' do some shit that you ain't never done before. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, we lit. Jacked up, countryside, whiskey big. From the hood to the motherfucking sticks. Line 'em up, knock 'em down, drink again. And if you're looking for me, baby, I'll be outside getting turned up. I've been working way too hard to be inside stuff. What's the move? Cause I'm trying to catch a buzz. Get a little drunk, have some fun and fuck it all the way up. Oh God, I'ma need more than 5 shots to come alive.